Is milling slabs possible on a tight budget for us weekend woodworkers? I decided to buy a corded electric chainsaw over a gasoline one as they are quieter and easier to maintain. I paid $110 for this Chinese rebranded electric chainsaw. In its favour, it does have a 1-year warranty. I found that most electric chainsaws look identical and have similar features. This model has an 18-inch bar and came with an Oregon chain. The teeth have a cutting angle of 35 degrees. They say when milling slabs it is better to use a chain with the cutting teeth at a 10-degree angle. I also bought a milling guide which attaches to the chainsaw bar. We secured a wood rail to the log and made sure it was plumb vertically. The guide slots over the slide rail. After cutting off the first piece of wood, we rotated the log to have the second cut 90 degrees offset to the first cut. If you wish to have two live edges, I would recommend buying or making an Alaskan chainsaw mill. This electric chainsaw is okay milling harder woods, but won't win any awards for speed. The time it took to do one complete cut was approximately 15 minutes. I had to tighten the chain every 10 minutes, and it's an easy job. The chain oil tank was around 80% empty after 15 minutes of use. This was my first attempt at chainsaw milling, and I'm happy with the results. For those of you needing to cut lumber without cord length restrictions, I would recommend getting an 80-volt battery electric chainsaw. Battery-operated chainsaws aren't too expensive, but the batteries are. Most battery chainsaws with 40 volts or less seem to lack power. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If the video was useful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.